Back to another last up video. So we have Illinois Central GMD SD70 leading eastbound CN freight train through Bramalea terminal. And there it is. What do I get? And there it is. 1007. Wow, he was equipped with CSX. Thanks. I like that. Cool. Gives me a great job at this. Returning key to victory. The freight car started to shake. Scratch a little. And actually, I looked at these grass over there. If I screw them up a bit, then I would let my real white bed die. Yeah. So, I'm not sure. Oh, we're back. Thanks. I knew I had to pause the video recording and catch up at the end. Alright, so he just keeps going by through. That little grass over there seems a bit rough. So you think real fans say a pause us their feet a little bit? I'm not sure what's wrong with it. Okay. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you for another Lash Up video.